Hello guys, today I'm going to cook some salmon. I'm gonna divide it into halves. The other half will be for creamy salmon with pasta, and the other one is for baked salmon. I'm going to first make the pasta. So I'm just seasoning the salmon with salt, pepper, and some lime, and then I will fry it after. Once the fish is cooked, set it aside. We're going to use the same pan, and we just need to add some butter. Add the minced garlic and saute it until it's a little bit brown. Add 2 teaspoons of onion powder. If you have a fresh one, just use one whole piece of onion and cut it into smaller pieces. Add 6 cups of coconut milk. You can also use cream if you have that, but I would love coconut since it's a little bit sweet and it's also healthy. Add some pepper, some salt, and some bouillon cubes or powder. You can check the whole ingredients in the beginning of this video. And now we're making the sauce thick, so all you need to do is just add 1 cup of water or milk and 1/4 cup of flour. Stir it and then pour it into the sauce pan, and that would be your sauce. And you can add 1 teaspoon curry or 1/2, then add some lime, then add some spinach, and then put in the fried fish, and this is the sauce. So I'm still cooking the pasta, and now this is how you prepare your pasta with the salmon. This recipe can be paired with rice or potato aside from pasta. You can either cook the spinach or you can eat it raw, depending on your taste bud. So in this video, I'm showing different ways to prepare it with cooked spinach and raw spinach. This is our first recipe, so stay tuned. I am going to show you the second one, which is the baked salmon. All we need to do is season the salmon with salt, pepper, and lime and lemon. add 1 teaspoon of onion and then mix it together. And once it's mixed, just put it in a baking pan along with the sauce, and add some butter and some slices of ginger on top of it, and bake it for 30 minutes or 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this, please click on like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you on my next video.